All right, so we're looking at a Perlick H80CIMS. This is going to be the Nugget Ice machine. If you're familiar with Sonic drive-thrus out here on the West Coast, you know that they use that Nugget Ice that absorbs the flavor of the beverage. It's also called Chewable Ice because it's typically about 70% water, 30% ice, and it's granule and it's very easy to chew. This is going to make 80 pounds of this chewable ice in a 24-hour period. If you're taking the ice out to use it in a party setting or filling coolers in just a static scenario, it can hold 22 pounds of ice, but it'll reach the bin level thermostat and cease production. If you're not pulling ice out, it does have a cleaning option, very easy to get to these circuits for cleaning. As we know, limescale builds up on these machines. They need to be maintained and cleaned, and that can depend on how good the water is in your particular city. From one city to the next, you might find the water is a lot harder and that limescale builds up a lot quicker. So we encourage you to clean these on a regular basis. Reach out to kitchenfoundry.com for more information on Perlick. We carry these units along with what they call the top hat ice machines.